What's going on, YouTube viewers? It's your boy Cool with Cool Kicks. So this is an interesting video. You guys know I'm not a hype beast. I don't sit there and try to get 8 copies of the same shoe and try to show videos of me having 800 pair of shoes and trying to impress people, blah, blah, that type of stuff. That's just not my game. What I try to do is I try to get good deals, try to help you guys find good deals, entertain you guys, that type of stuff. But I was curious on what it takes to get a limited pair of shoes. So I figured I'd make a whole lot of effort, or I figured I'd work on getting a pair of shoes and kind of take you guys through that experience. So we're gonna see what I went through to try to get a pair of these Obsidian Jordan 1s. Yeah, I hope you guys like this video. It's Monday, the 26th of August. So the Jordan 1 Obsidians released this Saturday, which is the 31st. So, and I really want to get my hands on a pair. You know, I've never really gone for too many hype pair of shoes, or I have gone for it, but I haven't put that much effort into it. And what I'm learning is that all these hype beasts and all these resellers go through a shit ton to get a hands on a pair of shoes, or 3 or 4 pair of shoes, whatever. So, yeah, I called 3 different shoe palaces. They do 2 of them have raffles. So I'm gonna, during my lunch at work this week, the raffles close on Wednesday, so I'm gonna hit up 1 today, 1 tomorrow, and then so I'll have at least 2 my name in 2 different raffles. And then it also releases on the Sneakers app, and I might go somewhere for this. I might try to go to one of the shoe palaces. There's a shoe palace here that does have a release, a first come first serve release, so I might hit them up as well. But yeah, I'm gonna kind of vlog all this and show you guys, hey, what it takes, and hopefully I can get my hands on one of the more hyped pair of shoes. We'll see what happens, you guys. All right, we're in Sherman Oaks, Westfield, mall number 1, shoe palace number 1. See if we can get my name called. Alright guys, I put my name in for 1. So yeah, I'll show you guys put my name in for the 2nd and 3rd and 4th, or however many I can put my name in. Stop number 2 for the raffle. We're at Northridge Mall. I did put in the raffle number 2. We'll see how it goes, you guys. Stop number 3 for the raffle, you guys. Day number 3, store number 4, raffle number 4.
You copy.
There we go.
Thank you, sir. All right, man. Y'all say good luck to you.
At the Glendale Galleria, mall number 5, you guys. Shoe palace number 5, you guys. Let's get this raffle.
Keep it. If you win though, there's I can send you ideas. There's okay. But just hold on.
This is my week's worth of work. I was able to get 1 raffle ticket for GS at each store, as well as 1 for an adult one at each store. So 5 trips equals 10 tickets. Let's see if we get any calls. All right, 0 for 5 this week, you guys. Man, ain't that some bull? Whatever. So it's Saturday morning. It's about to be 7 o'clock in a few minutes. At least we got 1 more chance on that Sneakerhead. Let's see how it goes, you guys. Got a bunch of L's today. I got one L and L's all week. But yeah, it sucks. And you know what? Look at this text message I get from my brother-in-law. Ain't that a trip? Ain't that a trip, huh? I put in all that effort to try to get these sneakers. And my brother-in-law just wakes up out the blue, happens to get on the sneaker app and hits. Man, sneaker game's a trip, you guys. Sneaker game's a trip. You win sometimes and you waste a shit ton of time other times. Like, I don't know what to tell you guys. Either way, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you guys subscribe. And I got some good ass content out there, man. Better content than half the people out there. But yeah, make sure you tell me what you think, guys. Share your experiences, because I think we've all got nails on Sneaker app and everywhere else in the sneaker world. So yeah, let me know what you think, you guys. Thanks for coming.